Hey guys, welcome to another edition of The Watch Collector. My name's Ollie. Today we're going to look at a brand that is steeped in fun and heritage, but before we do, of course, the obligatory wristwatch check, and today I'm wearing the Patek Philippe Nautilus 5726A. The brand we're looking at is Amida. Originally founded in 1925. By 1970 they had patented their jumping hours movement. By 1973 they had patented their LRD, which is light reflecting display, and by 1976 they presented at the Basel Fair their Digitrend watch, which actually incorporated both of those patents in a retro-futuristic case that really, I think probably it's fair to say, took everyone by storm at that point. Very, very cool design. Unfortunately, as with so many brands, they came to no longer be in existence. And then for 2024, they were revived. And not just revived in name, but also in form and function. And done so well, I might add, that they were nominated for the Grand Prix de l'Horlogerie last year. This is the revamped, revitalized Amida Digitrend. This one, as you can see, is in stainless steel 316L. The size of the case is 39.6 millimeters in diameter, 15.6 millimeters in height. And the idea of this model is that it's a driver's watch, such that when you have your hands on the steering wheel, you're able to tell the time without moving your wrist at all. It comes with both an Alcantara and also a stainless steel bracelet. As you can see, we have this one on the Alcantara. And so let me give you an idea. Hopefully it's going to come out on camera. It's a fully digital display. For me, growing up in the 80s, it just screams Knight Rider and kit. But obviously this is definitely a 70s design. So you've got your jumping hours on the right-hand side, and you've got your minutes. Wind it through, and you can see how it actually goes through its time. So very, very easy to use, not a complicated piece, but actually it's all about that design. I should say that what is an LRD? So the patent from 1973 was exactly this, which is the discs upon which the numbers are printed are actually horizontal, but using sapphire prism, it then reflects from the horizontal to the vertical so that you're able to see the numbers presented through the dial. Sounds very simple, also very ingenious. That's the stainless steel version. We also have the 316L stainless steel but coated in black DLC. This I love, and especially, not that I don't love the stainless steel, but this one is very special, I think. I love the way that actually you can still see the grain of the polished steel through the DLC. It really gives it a luster, but also a bit of definition and contour, which I really, really appreciate. And I love the contrast between the black and the orange. Of course, both have orange on the underside of their Alcantara straps. Both watches, of course, house the same movement, 44-hour power reserve and 50-meter water resistant. Let me throw this on the wrist and show you how it wears. So being stainless steel, it has a weight to it. The case is substantial. It's definitely not that you're probably ever thinking it was going to be. It's definitely not a dress watch. It's going to struggle to get under a cuff, maybe even a jacket, but that's what this is all about. This is about, as I said, super retro cool, futuristic look. Anyone who's grown up with any kind of digital display is more than likely going to fall in love with this piece. And as I mentioned, I particularly like the black with the orange contrast. Very, very cool. I love what they've done. I love the fact that they've stayed completely true to the heritage of a brand that is 100 years old this year, with all the patents present and correct. I think there are quite a lot of brands out there that tend to just play on a name. These guys haven't. They've brought out the Digitrend, brought it right up to date for 2025 with a Soprod movement, super reliable, really nice materials, excellent finishing, and the way they've put together these pieces is fantastic. So you tell me, which one do you prefer? Stainless steel or stainless steel DLC coated? That's the Amida Digitrend, new for 2024, and now in their 100th year anniversary for 2025. I'd love to know what you think. That's enough for me for now. I'll see you next time.